already discussed product rule and sum rule. Next I will discuss permutations. A permutation of a set of distinct objects is an ordered arrangement of these objects. So just remember the word, it's a order arrangement of the object. We should arrange in a sequence. An order arrangement of R element called as R permutation. There is a theorem, theorem 1. If n is a positive integer and r is an integer with r is greater than equals to 1 and less than equals to n, then there are PNR. PNR equals to n multiplied by n minus 1 multiplied by n minus 2 till n minus r plus 1. So this PNR we can write as n factorial divide n minus r factorial. So n factorial that we can write as n multiplied n minus 1 multiplied n minus 2 till n minus r plus 1 multiplied n minus r factorial divide n minus r factorial. So these two will be cancelled. We are getting this n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 till n minus r plus 1. So there is a corollary. If n and r integers and r value is less than equals to n, then p n r equals to n factorial divide n minus r factorial. Let's see one example. Example 1. In how many ways can we select 3 students from a group of 5 students to stand in a line for picture? In how many ways can we arrange all 5 of the students in a line for a picture? Two questions in example 1. First one, in how many ways we can stand 3 students from 5 students? Then second one, in how many ways we can arrange whole 5 students? So 3 students from 5 students. Let we have 5 students named as A, B, C, D, E. So first we will choose one student from these 5. So that we can choose in 5 ways. Let me choose A. Next from these 4 I will choose 1. So next we will choose in 4 ways. So let me choose C. Then next I can choose from these 3 B, D, E. Right? So next we can choose in 3 ways. Let me choose E. So I choose A, C, E from these 5 A, B, C, D. So total 5 multiplied 4 multiplied 3. 60 ways. There are 60 ways we can take picture of 3 students from 5 students. Next, how many ways we can arrange all 5 students in a line for a picture? So 5 students, that will be in 5 factorial way. 5 factorial is 120. So first we will choose from 5 students, then second we will choose from 4 students, then from 3, then from 2, then from 1. So there are 120 ways to arrange all 5 students in a line. Next, example 2. How many ways are there to select first prize winner, second prize winner and third prize winner from 100 different people who have entered in a contest? So there are 3 prizes, first prize, second prize and third prize, and we need to choose 3 people among 100 different people. So it will be P103. Okay, permutation of 103. For first prize we can choose among 100 people. Then for second prize, already one is first, so we need to choose among 99 people, and for third we need to choose from 98 people. So 100 multiplied 99 multiplied 98, it's 970200. So this many way we can give the award to 100 different people as first, second and third. Next, example 3. Suppose that there are 8 runners in a race. The winner receive a gold medal, the second place finisher receive a silver medal and third place receive a bronze medal. How many different ways are there to award this medal if all possible outcome of the race can occur and there are no ties? So total there are 8 runners. From 8 runners we need to give medal, gold medal, silver medal and bronze medal to 3 people. Okay, so from 8 we need to choose 3 people. That's why it will be permutation of 8 3. Permutation of 8 3, it will be 8 multiplied 7 multiplied 6. It's 336 possible way to award the medal. P8 3, that is 8 factorial divide 8 minus 3 factorial. So 8 factorial you can write 8 multiplied 7 multiplied 6 multiplied 5 factorial, and 8 minus 3 is 5 factorial, so this will be cancelled. We'll find 8 multiplied 7 multiplied 6, it's 336. Next example 4. Suppose that a saleswoman has to visit 8 different cities. She must begin her trip in a specified cities, but she can visit the other 7 cities in any order she wishes. How many possible orders can this saleswoman use when visiting these cities? So first one is fixed. Next 7 cities she can visit in any order. Okay. So the number of possible paths between these cities in the number of permutation of 7 element. We are not considering 8 as first one is fixed. So she need to choose next 7 cities in how many ways she will visit. So that's why it will be 7 factorial. 7 factorial is 5040. So there are 5040 ways for the salesman to choose the cities. In today's lecture, I discussed formula for permutation, what is permutation, and some examples. In next lecture, I will discuss some more examples of permutation. If this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.